That's right, boys. Today we're finally putting on the wheels. The lugs came in. They actually sent me 4 extra spacers, which is awesome. So I'm gonna choose between the 8 that I have, which ones are nice and not like dinged up. So I went with the ESR Forged line. These are the RF2s, I believe. I wanted them in white because the way I built the car in the game, it looks amazing with white, but they only had Hyper Silver as the brightest one, so I am going to be painting it later. Probably not going to do it myself because I do not want to mess these up. They're super nice. They're Rotary Forged, so they're a light wheel, they're not heavy. I'm super excited right now to have these puppies on because the car's fitment, as you can see, for the past, I don't know, 2 months looked like cheeks. But now that I have everything in, hopefully the bolts will fit this time because I can't wait to put these on.
Me possibly 5 ways to entertain myself. I still thinking you constantly. What you thinking? Floating dance, I bet they couldn't sink it. Butterflies of rainy days couldn't sink my spirit. What you trying to do with all that energy? There's a certain type of mystic in the air when you next to me, so bright and sunny. Early mornings, just my tea and honey. Can call you up, but it won't make you love me. I'm floating, but to the side I got it duly noted, and I can really focus. I hope you really notice. See, if I hold it back, I'll end up exploding. You don't wanna see that. I see your life is golden. See, is there here to go? I know you really like my CD. I probably could do it better, but life hasn't been that easy. I know that you really like it. Only get a few more hours, so I'ma try this. Staying up all night so loud, just like the sirens. Hold up, need to take a little bit of more time to roll up, so show love.
Bro, that thing looks so sick. That fitment is like spot on, but I just have to lower it a little bit more. Dude. Yeah, that one's a little bit more low, but that's so sick.
You don't want to see that. I see your life is golden. See, is there here to go? I know you really like my CD. I probably could do it better, but life hasn't been that easy. I know that you really like it. Only get a few more hours, so I'ma try this. Staying up all night so loud, just like the sirens. Hold up, need to take a little bit of more time to roll up, so show love.
The back is fine, it's not going to rub.
It might. For some reason it looks like it has toe. But it looks... Oh, God. Damn, I'm going to figure out over here.
That's a bigger wheel.
Damn. Raised the car up by probably 2 inches, so I gotta fully slam it. Because I did half an inch, no more, 1.5 inches all around, so I have to slam all this, but damn. And as always, it starts to rain. Well, I'm still trying to put the side skirt on the passenger side. Driver's side's done. I don't know about you guys, but damn, this looks so good. The color of the car doesn't really complement the wheels as much, but once it's painted, I definitely can see it. But after putting these wheels on, the car, which was a given because these are bigger wheels, but after putting on the wheels, you can see the car actually like raised up a little bit, so the rear has to be dropped. I can still drop it by almost half an inch, if not an inch. Same with the front. I think the front I can drop almost 2 inches, so I'm definitely going to be lowering it more because I want it to be almost like finger gap. Right now I think it's like 3 fingers, yeah, like barely 3, and the rear is, I think it's 2. Yeah, the 2 is like, yeah, the rear is like 2, maybe like 1.5, but definitely going to be lowering it a bit. So stoked. I'm really happy with the wheels because these are the same ones that I picked in the game. They just have to be white, and once it's painted to the right color, God, this thing's gonna look so sick. I'm so happy with the wheels. They look incredible. Now with everything on, I'm trimming the side skirt. I still kind of have to trim a little bit here. I'll probably use some sandpaper to get it down, but overall this thing's coming out so good. Damn. So the final thing that's left after putting these wheels on a suspension is paint and tinting, obviously, but it is one color now, so it looks sick. But like I said before, to me the wheel and primer combo doesn't really go well together. Kind of looks weird, but the fitment is like so spot on. I think I might need actually like a 22mm in the rear because the front is perfect. If I drop the front, it's just gonna be like in there, because right now it's poking just a tiny bit, like the lip is poking, and the rear is a little bit sunken in, but I think it's because of the camber, because this wheel is a little bit more sunken in than the other. I don't know if you could see, but yeah, like tiny bit, like maybe like fingernail, and then this one's a little bit more out. I think it's when I put the coilovers on, because of the one bolt that holds it in. Might have just been a little bit crooked, but damn, I'm so stoked. This thing looks beautiful with these wheels. I don't know if I should put the company's center caps on, or if I should put the BMW caps on that I ordered for my M4 a while ago. I don't know what would look better. Probably the BMW ones. But then again, my emblems are carbon fibers, so yeah, probably not. But overall, this thing looks so damn good. Damn. I'm so happy with the fitment. I am going lower, that's for damn sure. 3-finger gap is not bad, but definitely need to go lower. The rear kind of sits good, but since these coilovers are super stiff, that there's literally no body roll, no flex whatsoever, we're definitely gonna drop it as much as we can, because come on, we gotta be static looking. This thing just looks so good right now. God, I can't get over it. Oof. It does need a wash because my hands were so dirty that kind of made the side skirts dirty, but I trimmed the side skirts. Let me show you, because not a lot of people show this, but I trimmed it a little bit right there. As you can see, it went up to basically there. Like, I think I cut a good inch off. Same with the top, and this side, same thing. Cut about an inch off, and it looks good. It looks superb. I'm super happy with how this car came out. Really can't wait to paint it.